Hello, my well-wishers, my friends, my sisters, my brothers. You all are welcome. Yes, we want to talk on greediness or selfishness. Before we go there, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Touch that button so that another video will come. You will be the first person when you go see it. Anything when you get from mind, when after you don't watch this video, put them down for comment box. Go see and God bless you. Yes, we don't come back. We want to talk on greediness. This greediness what they see. I don't see say to people the way they do this. Not too good. They not they consider other people. What will be greediness? Greediness not you will not consider other people. You only you. That is only me. Only my advantage, only good things when it concern me. Now in my day after. Another after another person. That is no good. And be greediness. If you did that good, why they do like that? I beg, make you change. When you do things, consider another person. I beg, and they beg. It gets some, for example, now. Maybe in a group, we get group like this. And I get information when I see. And I know say if I tell people, it go good for all of us. And as I hear the information, I go keep them because I don't want to make another person hear. Not say that in greediness. Not greediness, because if you see something, share them. Make everybody hear. Anybody who want to make use of the thing, you will make use of it. Not say you hear something. You hear what is supposed to benefit everybody. You just hear and just keep on yourself. Not too good like that. No, just think for mind. Say, if I talk this thing out now, people go use them. They go pass me. Or no get that kind of mind. When you do, the more you do, the more God they bless you more. You know, see, and this get some of them again. They want the respect for themselves. They want anything me. They don't they consider the second party no. Me, everything me. They only to need that respect. Anything when you want to respect themselves, but when you talk of another person in life, good. It's a greediness. And selfishness with that. Not too good. So that's why they say make I use opportunity talk with this thing. If you did this group, I beg, try make you find how you go take change. Tell God, nothing God cannot do for you. Because somebody where they do greedy, not a good. And some of them don't they like to listen to another person. Only you won't go find something, you they look for something, the person when you read there, now you want make them put her ear down for her. But you don't want to listen to anybody, you don't want to hear anything concerning anybody. Not say that person they greedy. How you go there like say no lay your you another person go that person go listening to you, but you don't go listening to another person. That's too bad. Good. Good. I beg. I see the talk and say if you do this group, try. Make you change. Make you know how to consider other person. Put yourself in place of all those people so that you know as they pay. See, and some people, even this thing when we do so, get some of them. This YouTube now we serve all of us day. You get some of us now. They go know something. For them to come and say teach other people, they no go agree. You go ask them, they say they don't know. What else they know am. But now them go still come and complain. Now them go say, you no do my own, you no do. But now them when they talk and then no do, and then no do. Say this get as a be. Greediness, this selfishness, only person, only in your own, to your own advantage. Apart from your own self, you don't get any business with other people again. You don't know what to concern people. Why? You're not too good. Even in the family self, some of them they avoid responsibility. The thing what you're supposed to do, don't go do them. You go avoid them, but when the thing come, you go find how you go manipulate the thing. The effort go fall for the second party. Whereas now you do them. Not to say you get as you say no good. Yeah? Everything when you need to work, maybe in a family, husband and wife, say this one and your duty to do this thing, and you go do them. When you reach outside, you go want that to go manipulate the thing so that the fault go your wife's side. Even the same thing apply to the woman too. Your work we're supposed to do, you not go do them. And when they talk, my husband do, my husband say. What do you say? Most people when they listen to your voice, why they don't ask all this when they talk? Now you say, the only you know they do anything. The woman will complain the same thing. The man will come the same thing. They don't go ask them. All this thing, you know they do. Before this thing come, what thing happen? They don't go find out. Not say that person they greedy. They greedy now. They greedy. I beg, look on a change. Some of them again, get some men. Everything when it good that they do, even in the family. You get some family where people say, now woman, now train the children, not be the man, oh, the man I know the truth. Not say picking when good, now papa trainer. The one I know good, now mama get that one. I don't know why I be like that too. Because everything when good, now man do one. Like children now. Maybe that the woman train the children though, the man ain't go take the credit. You see him? So, what I try to one bring out here. When they don't come out, now that time you go not say I'm picking. Because picking when good, now man get them. You see him? Everything good. Now the person, that greedy man, greedy woman, now ain't get them. That one no good, not be old. That one not concern. You see him? Say selfishness no good. If you dey selfish, I beg, make you change. That's why they use this opportunity to talk this thing. Because the thing they vex me when they see people like do like that. It gets some again for family. Like husband and wife, and they quarrel. The man go make sure say he try his best to pull the woman down before people. So that he not go get fault. Whereas they get the fault too. The same thing, even the woman too. If you want judge, you go try by all means to make sure say everything when she do, now the man do. Everything good, now your own. So you go try to find out your own weakness to take pull the man down. The man go try to find your own weakness to pull the woman down. Don't say this is no good. You with your wife, they quarrel, for example. You know, say our African culture now be say man they free to do anything when you want to do. And because na quarrel, you go leave the woman for house. You go go outside with the child, side chick. You do anything when you like, you want to do. When you do finish, you come inside house. Say with your wife, they quarrel. All your happiness, you don't get and finish you. You come, you stay. Anyhow, the woman they feel that one not concern you. Tomorrow the woman say make you do what you do, it's not a problem. You know, say they greedy. Why they thought this man are trying to consider somebody, put on a shoe in place of that person. Man, I know as they pay. It be like some people now in a family. Give me. You when they say give me, you not go ask that person, that woman, that man when they say give me. Your family call, how you they take care of your family? How your family? Who they help you, they do all this when they do, you not go ask. Only your own. And it's too bad. You don't want to listen to anybody. Only people go listen to you. This thing they vex me. You get where rich and say, which kind of life people are living? What kind of life is this? I beg for they do the more I consider this, the more I change. You know good. Every day, give me. You know how they get that you don't know the root. How they get that you don't know. The suffer you don't know. How they take care of your children, you don't know. The man, you don't know. The woman, no. The family, you don't know about them. Your own to make it give you. He give you, go take. The pace, you know, that one not concern you. You don't say no good. They didn't do bad. If that's one now, brother, I need this car. You know, go ask and say, your wife gets. Brother, give me this thing. I like him. Or auntie, maybe your sister and I ain't get money. Okay, auntie, I need this one. But give me this car, daddy. You know, go ask and say, this thing I for take him up, but you go ask your husband whether I be on a need down, or suppose if I tell your husband call. Or if I tell your wife uncle, you don't go remember that one. Your own to give me. To give you, don't finish. You know, no one know anything. Anyhow I won't make it be like that. Not say the kind of people where they do this thing, not say that they're greedy. Not say they selfish. Wanna try. Like as I talk and information. If you get something, when you know say good for person, tell her. You know go cover your own, you know go close your own. Instead, go lift you up. You see something when somebody need that, you know this thing very well. And you tell me, teach me this thing, I beg. Auntie, I beg, I need you to teach me this thing when you know. If you know and teach them, you're not going to block your own way. You see this car, they say too much to the extent that bed, you know, go fit collide together. No matter how it be. Don't see them where two bed collide together. They never. So, put your place like that. No matter how you teach somebody, they don't go collect your own gift. Your own gift, your gift. So, no think I'm saying anything when you tell person, you they lose. You don't lose. Now, blessing you they collect. So, that's why I say, man, use the opportunity to talk all this thing, because once in when we do things for to our own good, but it's our own selfishness. Anything we consider for our own, every advantage on our own is not good. Eh? You go they beg, give me every day. You know they give person. I see when you the system. Okay, somebody maybe want to do something now. I'll tell you, say brother or sister, for family, okay, I want to do something for village. Help me. You know, go ask how the money they come. You know, go ask. Your own when they bring your opportunity for you to grab the thing. How they do bring. You said they consider whether the thing is easy. They say if it's easy, why found all the piece? Not easy. So one they consider put on a shoe into somebody old. One know as they pay and or as they be. I beg one they try. Now say man use the opportunity talk these things. This is what they do no good. When we try, when we change. Greediness no good. Not go take us to anywhere. All those people now for work. Especially this working place where they do and most. Some of them don't get power to work. And they don't say they don't get the power to work. What did they do? They go, what did they do? They will use another person. They use people. They cover up. And they don't say, now they don't get power. And then they use people, they cover up. That is too bad. I beg, you want to change. You know good. It's when I see what they do, they pay me for body. That's why I say, man, use the body talking. I beg, I pray that when you listen to this video, if you did this class or this group, make you try, make change. As a change, God will bless you in Jesus' name.